Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 3. In part 2, I use find object, and this time I'm going to use find and replace. I'm going to put replace object. So I want to find, with my eyedropper, I want to find all the blue. And I'm going to select now, I want to replace it with, I need to go to RGB. I don't have to. And I'm going to go right here. I don't know why Corel does that sometimes. You've got to click on this, go down to RGB, and I'm going to replace them with red. And then put replace all. It's going to take just a second. This is really why I don't use find and replace, because I think it's a little faster to do the other. So we're going to do the blue now, or this color. I'm going to go get my eyedropper, the purple I mean, and I'm going to replace it with green and replace all. It's pretty quick, but I don't think it's as quick as the other, and the disadvantage is they're not grouped together now. They're still individual pieces. So the way before I could group all the green, and then I could change them, the colors, by just selecting on that group. So if you didn't watch part 2, go find and replace. Instead of replace object, we're going to find objects. And this time you just go search from selection, find all, Control G to group them, and then you can change them red. Well, that didn't make any sense to do that. And the same thing, see, this is a part of an object, but I'm going to go from selection, find all, Control G to group them, and then I can go back and select the red, and I can make the red yellow. That's really a bad choice. I really want something to make it pop out, but anyway, you get the idea. So find object sometime. Find and replace is good if you had hundreds of items of different colors around the board and you wanted to do that and you didn't particularly need to group them together. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.